Most of your courses will have a reading list which brings together the key resources you need into one place. And when we say reading list resources, we're including books, journals, ebooks, case studies, websites, podcasts and videos, presentations, and more. You'll find your reading lists in your Learning Central modules, either under the menu About Your Module or under Books and Tools. It will be titled Reading List. Clicking on this will take you to all of the reading lists for that particular module. You might have essential readings, weekly readings, seminar or tutorial readings. It'll depend on your lecturer. The example you can see here has two lists. A general reading list of books and journals that will be useful to you throughout the whole module, and a list displaying a series of weekly readings. We're going to look at the weekly reading list. It'll tell you beside the title how many items are on your reading list and in how many sections. Before we look at the list in detail, please note the ability to change both the language and the accessibility options of your view if desired. To change the language, click on the Settings cog, followed by English. You will see the option to select Cymraeg and click Cai. For the accessibility options, please click on the Settings cog, followed by Accessibility Settings. Here, you can change the font size, contrast, and message duration. Once you have made your options, just click Close to apply. You can toggle the view to see the section headings or the entire list of items. You can also expand each section individually. Let's look at the resources for week 1. In the case of ebooks, online journal articles, websites, and scanned chapters, you'll also see an option to view online. This will take you directly to the resource. In the case of physical books, you'll be able to see which libraries have copies. Clicking on Available At will give you more information, telling you how many copies are available and also giving you the option to place a request. This is the same information that you would see in Library Search. Your lecturer may have added extra information to help guide your reading. They can add tags to each item. In this example, the lecturer is using core or additional tags. Some other common ones are essential and further reading. You can filter each list by tag to help you find these resources quickly. You can also filter by the type of resource. For each resource and for the reading list as a whole, the lecturer can add notes to give you more information. You can also search for items by title, author, or note. If you require further help or information, just ask in your library or contact your subject librarian.